to show you guys how possible it is for you guys to gain weight. So far, I've put on 25 pounds and I am on a second weight gain journey to put on 15 more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mitch, and if you are not new, thank you guys for returning to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you guys cannot already tell by the title, I am going to take you guys through a full day of eating with me. If you are new to my channel, then you probably don't know that I am on a weight gain journey. So I'm just going to show you guys what my day of eating looks like. If you've seen any of my previous videos, then you know that I do not like being in the kitchen for way longer than I need to be. I'll take you guys through breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. I know people who grew up small or who've been small their whole life, they feel like they can't gain any weight, but I'm here to tell you guys that that is just not true. You just have to tweak a few things, and I promise you guys, you will be gaining that weight like no tomorrow. I did my hair a few hours ago, so anything white that you guys see in my hair is just the gel that is drying. So anyways, to put things into the simplest form, your body requires a certain amount of food to function. So a lot of people feel like they're not gaining weight and they feel like they're already eating a lot of food, but really it's only the amount of food that your body needs. Basically, in order for you to put on the weight, you have to be eating way more than what your body needs. That's why you have to eat in a surplus. People call it bulking. I can insert a picture here for you guys to show you where I started versus where I am now currently. So like I said, I want to put on another 15 pounds, and I'm going to show you guys what my day of eating looks like for me to get there. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And if you guys like the video so far, why don't you guys give it a thumbs up? That being said, let us get on with the rest of the video, you guys. Okay, you guys, so for breakfast, I just have 1 whole avocado, 1.5 potatoes, and 3 scrambled eggs. I don't usually eat meat for breakfast, but that's just a personal preference. And then moving on to my snack after breakfast, I'm just having 1 packet of oatmeal because I was headed to the gym. So I just didn't want to go like on an empty stomach, but I didn't want to eat something that was like too heavy. So after the gym, I just had a tuna sandwich. So I just used a half a can of tuna mixed with like mayo, and then I'm gonna have some potato wedges along with some queso. And then finally, you guys, I just had some ground turkey tacos with some squash. The only thing I didn't record for you guys was the snack after dinner, and it was just 2 packets of the oatmeal that I had earlier in the day because it was really late, so I didn't get a chance to record it. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Why don't you guys give it a thumbs up? I would really appreciate that as well. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I always respond to all my comments, all my questions. I want to help you guys. So any information that I have, that I've learned, that I've experienced, I am more than willing to share it with you guys. So guys, that is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. See ya.